Did you know that gut bacteria and mental health are closely connected? What you eat greatly impacts mood, memory, and emotions, and two important components I share in my food videos are healthy food alternatives plus food-grade essential oils, a game changer for gut microbiome and mental health. In this video, I'll be sharing how to make gluten-free apple muffins, which includes almond flour, high in protein or carbs, and monk fruit or coconut sugar, easier on blood sugar levels. Plus, cinnamon and ginger essential oils, excellent for digestion and immune boosting. And you won't sacrifice any flavor here. Get my free guide, Say Goodbye to Brain Fog, Swap List, in the comments below and learn how to fix your gut health naturally. Let's begin by preheating your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Then in a mixing bowl, add 1/3 cup of avocado oil or coconut oil, 1/2 cup monk fruit stevia or coconut sugar, 3 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 4 drops cinnamon essential oil, and 1 drop ginger essential oil. Then whisk it all together until it's blended well. Now add 1 cup of grated apples, 1/4 cup of finely chopped pecans, 1.5 cups almond flour, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. Now we're going to combine it until it's very well mixed. And then we're going to spoon it into 12 muffin cup liners in your pan. You can see that this is a very nice, soft batter. And the outcome is just very, very moist muffins. So now we're going to put it in the oven and bake it for about 14 minutes. And they're done. It's nice to make something that's both tasty and good for you too. Healthy is simple. Be sure to ask your questions in the comments below, then like and subscribe. And don't forget to download my free guide, Say Goodbye to Brain Fog, Swap List. As a health coach, I've learned that this is a great place to start, so do that now, and thank you for watching.